The base plan we're working with here has been converted from an AutoCAD DWG file. I'd like to draw your attention to some of the problems you might see, especially in conversion of blocks. Let's click on the blocks icon and just take a look at some of the complex naming conventions that have been used here. If, for example, we take rainhead underscore dot underscore flat base underscore dot ned and so on. Here's one called family with about 6 or 7 underscores and then 11 dot lands. So it's very difficult for us to really work conveniently with these. I'm a little pleased, in fact, that gCADPlus can handle these complex names, but this is the sort of thing that you will strike when you come from when you look at drawings from the gCADPlus environment.